Are you tired of your current PC struggling with the latest games or taking forever to render your creative projects? If you're ready to upgrade to a powerhouse that can handle absolutely anything you throw at it, let me tell you about the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro that's been making waves among serious gamers and content creators. This beast comes equipped with AMD's flagship Ryzen 9 7900X processor, which is essentially like having a supercomputer on your desk. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or running multiple applications simultaneously, this 12-core monster delivers lightning-fast performance that thousands of buyers are raving about in their 5-star reviews. The real game changer here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T with 16GB of dedicated graphics memory. This isn't just any graphics card, it's built for 4K gaming at ultra settings and comes with NVIDIA Studio support, making it perfect for video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-enhanced creative work. You'll get buttery smooth frame rates in the most demanding games while having enough power left over for content creation. What really impressed me is the 32GB of DDR5 RGB RAM running at 5200 MHz. That's not just fast, that's future-proof fast. Plus, the RGB lighting adds that premium gaming aesthetic that looks incredible in any setup. And with 2TB of NVMe SSD storage, you'll have instant boot times and enough space for your entire game library without any loading delays. iBUYPOWER has also thought about the complete experience. This system comes pre-built with Windows 11 Home and includes a gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to game right out of the box. The connectivity options are extensive, giving you plenty of ports for all your peripherals and accessories. This is currently one of the top-rated gaming PCs on Amazon, with buyers consistently praising its incredible performance and build quality. Professional reviewers are calling it a fantastic value for the specs you're getting, especially when you consider what it would cost to build something similar yourself. If you're serious about having a gaming and creative workstation that won't become outdated anytime soon, this iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro is definitely worth checking out. The combination of that Ryzen 9 processor, RTX 5070T graphics, and premium components makes this a solid investment for years to come. Check the link below for today's Amazon deal and see why so many people are making the switch to this incredible machine.